Good morning, students. Today it is our fourth lecture of automobile system design. So today we study one theory, design of propeller shaft. So here we have to determine the equation of propeller shaft. So in general, the propeller shaft is used hollow shaft. Okay, where it is used in heavy duty bus and trucks. So the propeller shaft, why we are using hollow propeller shaft? So for that hollow section, it will help to reduce the weight. For that purpose, we have to design for hollow shaft. Okay, so before that going, we have one equation which is we study in strength of material. Okay, so here I write torsion equation. So here torsion equation, by that torsion equation we can determine torsion. By that torsion equation we can determine torsion of propeller shaft. Okay, so this theory is very important in GTU exams for 7 marks. So here we study a torsion equation which is in subject of strength of material. So I write the formula TP by JP is equal to tau divided by R. So this is the equation number 1. So here TP is equal to torque transmitted by the propeller shaft. Okay, so JP indicates polar moment of inertia. Polar moment of inertia for propeller shaft. For propeller shaft, tau is equal to torsion shear stress, which is also called as safe shear stress. Okay, R is equal to distance between neutral axis to outermost fiber. So now we know that polar moment of inertia for hollow shaft is Jp is equal to pi by 32 into do raised to 4 minus di raised to 4. Here do is equal to outer diameter of propeller shaft and di is equal to inner diameter of propeller shaft. So in that theory we use this equation in example. So in example what we have to find? We have to find do or di. Okay, so we have to find the outer diameter or inner diameter of the shaft. The next, here r is equal to, here r, so we can write r is equal to do divided by 2. Okay, so consider r is equal to outer diameter by 2. Based on this theory, we can calculate the torque. So here the torque transmitted, so the torque transmitted by the hollow propeller shaft TP can be determined by the equation TP is equal to TE into G. So here TP is equal to torque transmitted by the hollow propeller shaft. TE we can call it engine torque. Engine torque, and what is G? G is gear ratio, which is given in example. Okay, so here we have to find the engine torque. Engine torque can be determined by the power. P is equal to 2 pi n T by 16,000. Okay, so for T we have to find, from this equation we can find the engine torque TE, the gear ratio G is given. So by multiplying these two values we have the torque transmitted by the hollow propeller shaft TP. So by using this the TP value, so put the value one by one, JP, tau, R and TP in equation number 1, then we can find the diameter of inner or outer diameter. Okay, so by solving the example of this theory, we can also determine how can we use this theory. Okay, so in next part we have to find the tractive effort. The tractive effort. The tractive effort can be determined by TP divided by field radius. So here V radius is given to you in example, while we have to find tractive effort, and the next equation is maximum load. Maximum load is equal to tractive effort divided by